Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about the very important question of the quadratic equation, guys. And in this question I am going to discuss about the relation between the roots and the given terms of the equation, guys. So this is the equation, and we have one information given in the question: the roots of the equation. Roots of the equation are equal in magnitude but opposite in the sign, guys. So we can suppose it, right? Let the roots be alpha and second one is the minus alpha, right? Okay, and further we are going to solve this equation. So we can write here the 1 by x plus p plus 1 by x plus q is equal to 1 by r, right? So after solving we can write here x plus p, x plus q, and we can write x plus q plus x plus p is equal to 1 by r, right? And it will becomes 2x plus p plus q, and denominator becomes x square plus p plus q into x plus pq is equal to 1 by r. And after doing the cross multiplication, you can write here the 2xr plus pr plus qr is equal to x square plus pq, p plus q, guys, 2x square plus p plus q, p plus q into x plus pq, right? Plus pq. And after sending all these terms into the RHS, we can write here x square plus p plus q minus 2r into x plus pq minus qr and minus pr is equal to 0, right? Now it is in the form of the general form of the quadratic equation, guys. So you can compare with the general form of the quadratic equation. We know that what is the general form of quadratic equation is the ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So that's why what will be the value of a is equal to 1, and what is the value of b? B equal to p plus q minus 2r, and what is the value of c? You can say that pq minus qr minus pr is equal to the 0. So first, according to the properties of the roots, first root is equal to sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, right? So what will be the roots? So we suppose alpha and minus alpha, so we can write here the sum of roots minus alpha plus alpha, and then after minus b, and minus b is equal to what is the value of b? Minus, so directly we can write here the minus p minus q plus 2r. And what will be the value of a? 1, guys, right? So after cancelling, you can write here the 0 equal to minus p minus q plus 2r, right? And now you can say that p plus q is equal to 2r. So after solving, you can say that it is the, according to the solution, you can say that option B is the correct, right? And now we are going to solve the another properties product of root, guys. Product of root. Now product of roots equal to, you can say that C by A, right? And what will be the value of C? So you can say that PQ minus PR minus QR, right? And what will be the value of A? You can say A is equal to 1, so you can write the same thing, PQ minus PR minus QR. Now PQ, and after taking the minus R common from both these two terms, you can write here the P plus Q, right? And from this equation you can say that what will be the value of R? You can say that P plus Q by 2, and this R value we will put in this equation, right? So we can write here PQ minus P plus Q by 2, right? And this is also P plus Q, right? Are you getting my points, guys? So after taking the LCM, you can say that this is 2 and this is the 2PQ, and it will become A plus B into A plus B. So you can say that A plus B whole square, right? So after opening the brackets, you can write here the minus P square minus Q square minus 2PQ, right? So this and this term will cancel out, and you can say that minus 1 by 2 P square plus Q square is equal to the product of roots. So option C is also the correct answer, guys. So thank you, bye bye, best of luck.